Namaste, and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. Welcome to our in-depth analysis of India's economic landscape and the top investment opportunities for 2025 to 2026. Here at MSME Online, we are dedicated to empowering you, our community of entrepreneurs, business owners, and aspiring investors, with the critical insights needed to navigate the dynamic Indian market. The coming years promise significant shifts and monumental growth, and understanding where the currents are strongest is paramount for strategic decision-making. We believe that informed choices are the bedrock of success, and our goal today is to illuminate the path forward. Today, we'll explore 5 sectors with the highest growth potential in India. These are not just fleeting trends, but foundational pillars of India's journey towards becoming a global economic powerhouse. We've meticulously researched and analyzed data, government policies, and market sentiments to bring you a comprehensive overview. From advancements in indigenous manufacturing to the digital revolution transforming consumer experiences, each sector presents a unique tapestry of opportunities. We will delve into the specifics, exploring the drivers behind their projected growth and what this means for individuals and businesses looking to invest their capital, time, and energy wisely. Our exploration will cover the burgeoning defense sector, the ever-evolving retail landscape, the transformative automotive industry, the consistently dominant IT sector, and the rapidly expanding electronics manufacturing domain. For each, we will break down the key statistics, the government initiatives fueling their ascent, and the potential impact on the broader economy. We encourage you to consider how these trends align with your own business aspirations or investment portfolios. So grab a notebook, perhaps a cup of chai, and let's embark on this journey to uncover the investment gold mines that India offers for 2025 to 2026. First on our list is the Indian defense sector, a domain undergoing a truly remarkable transformation. We are looking at a projected compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of an impressive 15% in the coming years. This isn't just a random figure, it's a testament to a concerted national effort. The primary catalyst for this surge is the government's Make in India initiative, which has fundamentally shifted the focus towards indigenous manufacturing and self-reliance in defense production. This strategic imperative aims to reduce import dependency, foster domestic innovation, and create a robust ecosystem for defense manufacturing within the country, thereby enhancing national security and economic strength simultaneously. We are seeing substantial investments in research and development and a push for private sector participation like never before. The drive for modernization within our armed forces is another significant factor propelling this growth. Outdated equipment is being phased out, and there's a clear roadmap for acquiring state-of-the-art technology and platforms. This modernization push extends across all branches of the military, the Army, Navy, and Air Force, creating a sustained demand for advanced weaponry, surveillance systems, communication networks, and a plethora of ancillary services. The government's commitment is further underscored by a progressively increasing defense budget allocation, with a significant portion earmarked for capital expenditure, directly benefiting domestic manufacturers. This creates a long-term, stable demand outlook for companies operating in this space, from large corporations to specialized MSMEs. For potential investors and MSMEs, this translates into a wide array of opportunities. Think about specialized component manufacturing, development of dual-use technologies, cybersecurity solutions for defense applications, or even skill development and training services tailored for the defense industry. The emphasis on indigenization means that the government is actively looking to nurture domestic suppliers. Furthermore, policies are being streamlined to ease the entry of private players, including startups, into the defense manufacturing supply chain. The establishment of defense industrial corridors in states like Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is also creating dedicated infrastructure and a supportive ecosystem for these ventures, making it an opportune time to explore this strategic sector. Next, let's turn our attention to the vibrant and ever-evolving retail sector in India, a cornerstone of our economy. This sector is on a trajectory to reach a staggering market size of $1.7 trillion by the year 2026. This phenomenal growth is not just about traditional brick-and-mortar stores. A significant part of this expansion is being supercharged by the digital wave. E-commerce, in particular, is leading this charge with an astonishing projected annual growth rate of 30%. This rapid adoption of online shopping is fundamentally reshaping consumer behavior, supply chains, and the very definition of retail in India. It's a transformation driven by increasing internet penetration, smartphone adoption, and a young, digitally savvy population. The e-commerce boom is creating a ripple effect across the entire retail ecosystem. We are witnessing the rise of direct-to-consumer, or D2C brands, the integration of omni-channel strategies by established players, and a massive demand for sophisticated logistics and warehousing solutions. Think about the last-mile delivery challenges in a diverse country like India, and you'll see immense scope for innovation and investment. Furthermore, technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are being increasingly used for personalized customer experiences, inventory management, and demand forecasting. This tech infusion is not just a trend, but a necessity for retailers looking to stay competitive and cater to the evolving expectations of the Indian consumer. Beyond e-commerce, the broader retail landscape is also undergoing significant changes. Organized retail is steadily increasing its market share, with modern retail formats like supermarkets, hypermarkets, and specialty stores expanding into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. This expansion is fueled by rising disposable incomes, urbanization, and changing lifestyle patterns. There's also a growing consciousness among consumers regarding sustainability and ethical sourcing, opening up niches for brands that can cater to these values. For MSMEs, opportunities abound in areas like private label manufacturing, specialized retail services, and developing innovative retail tech solutions that can help bridge the gap between online and offline experiences, providing a seamless customer journey. Chapter 3: Automotive Evolution, Driving Towards an Electric Future. The Indian automotive sector is currently navigating a period of profound transformation, steering decisively towards a cleaner and more sustainable future. A key highlight of this evolution is the ambitious target of achieving 40% electric vehicle, or EV, adoption by the year 2030. This isn't just a lofty goal, it's backed by substantial government commitment and industry participation. To catalyze this shift, the government has rolled out around $20 billion in production-linked incentives, or PLIs, specifically aimed at boosting the manufacturing of electric vehicles and their components, including advanced battery technology. This strategic push is designed to make India a global hub for EV manufacturing. This transition to electric mobility is creating a whole new ecosystem of opportunities. We're talking about the development and manufacturing of EV components like motors, controllers, and power electronics, not just the vehicles themselves. A critical area is battery technology manufacturing, swapping, and recycling. The establishment of a widespread and robust charging infrastructure across the country is another massive undertaking that requires significant investment and innovation. This shift also impacts traditional auto ancillary units, pushing them to adapt and diversify their product offerings to cater to the EV market, or risk becoming obsolete. The change is comprehensive, affecting design, manufacturing processes, and after-sales service models. For businesses and investors, this automotive metamorphosis presents a fertile ground. Beyond direct EV manufacturing, consider opportunities in charging station networks, battery management systems, skill development for EV maintenance, and software solutions for smart charging and vehicle connectivity. The government's incentives are not just for large corporations, they also aim to encourage MSMEs to participate in the EV supply chain. Furthermore, the focus on green mobility extends to public transportation, with initiatives to electrify bus fleets and promote shared mobility solutions. This holistic approach ensures that the move towards electric vehicles is not just an industry trend, but a national mission with far-reaching economic and environmental benefits. Chapter 4: The IT juggernaut, sustained dominance and talent expansion. India's information technology, or IT sector, continues to be a global powerhouse, a beacon of innovation and service delivery excellence. Its dominance is set to continue, with projected exports expected to reach a monumental $350 billion by the year 2026. This isn't just about maintaining the status quo, it's about adapting to new technological paradigms and expanding into new service lines. The sector has consistently demonstrated resilience and an ability to pivot, whether it's embracing cloud computing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or the Internet of Things. This adaptability is a core strength that underpins its sustained growth and global leadership position in IT services and BPM. A crucial factor supporting this continued growth is the relentless expansion and upskilling of India's vast talent pool. Our demographic dividend, combined with a strong emphasis on STEM education, provides a continuous supply of skilled professionals. However, the focus is now shifting from mere numbers to specialized skills in emerging technologies. We are seeing significant investment from both industry and government in training programs for AI, machine learning, data science, and blockchain. This commitment to nurturing future-ready talent ensures that India remains competitive and can cater to the increasingly complex demands of global clients, moving up the value chain from traditional services to cutting-edge solutions. For those looking at this sector, the opportunities are not just confined to large IT conglomerates. The rise of software as a service or SaaS companies, niche tech consultancies, and product development firms catering to specific industry verticals presents a dynamic landscape. There's also a growing demand for IT solutions tailored for domestic industries, including MSMEs, as they increasingly adopt digital technologies to improve efficiency and reach. The government's Digital India initiative further fuels this domestic demand. So, whether it's providing specialized IT services, developing innovative software products, or contributing to the digital transformation of other sectors, the Indian IT industry remains a vibrant field of opportunity. Chapter 5. Electronics Manufacturing Powering India's Tech Ambitions. Finally, let's delve into the electronics sector, which is poised for explosive growth in India. The nation is on track to achieve an anticipated $300 billion production milestone by the year 2026. This ambitious target is not just wishful thinking, it's being vigorously supported by strong momentum from the Production-Linked Incentive, or PLI, schemes. These schemes are specifically designed to attract large-scale electronics manufacturing, reduce import dependence, and establish India as a significant player in the global electronics supply chain. The focus is broad, encompassing mobile phone manufacturing, consumer electronics, IT hardware, and electronic components. The PLI schemes have been instrumental in attracting global giants to set up or expand their manufacturing bases in India, but they also aim to create a robust domestic ecosystem. This includes fostering manufacturing, which is critical for long-term self-sufficiency and value addition in the country. The government's vision extends to developing and semiconductor design and Success in this domain would significantly enhance India's technological sovereignty and create a cascading positive impact across various industries that rely on electronic components, from automotive to healthcare and defense. For investors and businesses, particularly MSMEs, the electronics manufacturing surge offers a spectrum of possibilities. This includes setting up ancillary units for component production, providing specialized assembly services, or focusing on design and R&D for electronic products. There's also a growing market for refurbished electronics and e-waste management, aligning with sustainability goals. The Make in India push in electronics is not just about import substitution, but also about creating products for the global market. As India integrates more deeply into global value chains, the opportunities for quality-conscious and innovative electronics manufacturers will continue to expand, making this sector a key engine of future growth. As we've explored today, the Indian economic narrative for 2025 to 2026 is one of robust growth and transformative change. India's economy is projected to grow at 6.2% in 2025 and 6.3% in 2026, outpacing global peers despite recent moderation in the global economic climate. This resilience is a testament to strong domestic demand, ongoing structural reforms, and a proactive policy environment. These figures paint a picture of a nation on the move, offering a stable yet dynamic environment for investment and business development, particularly for our MSME sector, which forms the backbone of our industrial output and employment. Furthermore, with inflation at a 6-year low, favorable conditions for monetary easing are in place. This could potentially translate into lower borrowing costs and increased liquidity in the market, providing further impetus for investment and expansion across various sectors. Such macroeconomic stability is crucial for fostering investor confidence and encouraging long-term capital commitments. It creates a conducive environment where businesses can plan with greater certainty and focus on innovation and growth, rather than constantly battling inflationary pressures or restrictive credit conditions. This supportive financial backdrop complements the sectoral growth drivers we've discussed. Among the analyzed sectors, defense manufacturing and electronics show the strongest growth prospects, driven by strategic national imperatives and supportive government policies. Meanwhile, the retail transformation continues with digital acceleration reshaping consumer interactions, and the automotive sector pivots decisively toward electric mobility, heralding a new era of sustainable transport. Each of these sectors offers unique avenues for growth and innovation. Thank you for watching. We hope this analysis has provided you with valuable insights. Stay tuned for more insights on India's economic landscape and investment opportunities from us here at MSME Online. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content.